wet day today. I thought I'd check out the Ramadan night market. The famous mosque is just right behind me. So this place at night is a beauty. Anyway, there's about 86 food store here throughout the whole month. So let's go and check out what they have in store for us. Yeah, the rain seems to be about to stop. So still drizzling a tiny bit, but the food starts here. So let's go and check it out. I like this store, pretty fusion. Honestly, compared to Geylang Surai, this is much smaller. But if I were to pick out of the two, I will pick this. So first of all, the crowd is not pretty huge. I think a big portion of them are at Geylang Surai. And secondly, I kind of like the atmosphere over here. So like I said, first of all, it's not very packed, and yeah, maybe due to the mosque, the famous Sultan Mosque. So once again, I prefer this location, but I'll leave it to you guys. Anyway, short one today. So that's all for today. I'll catch you guys on the next one.